Drug trafficking cases in and of themselves typically carry severe consequences, but there are also enhanced penalties in drug trafficking cases that can be a consequence of the quantity of drugs, whether the individual has a prior record for trafficking drugs, or even whether someone died as a consequence of taking the drugs that that individual trafficked in. Now, this is a very serious question in the defense of any drug trafficking case, because minimum mandatory penalties can be changed and manipulated by the prosecution, and they can also be limited by a skilled criminal defense attorney. For instance, the quantity of drugs is reliant upon a lab report that indicates exactly how much the drugs weighed. Many times when someone's arrested for a drug trafficking offense, the authorities weigh the drugs in the bag that they were contained in, and that can significantly increase the quantity of drugs. Later, when the drugs are tested in a lab, typically the amount is significantly less. Now, since the quantity can trigger a minimum mandatory sentence of 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, and even life in prison, this is something that cannot be overlooked and has to be properly investigated. Now, there are other issues that can arise in a case that can both increase the minimum mandatory penalty or decrease the minimum mandatory penalty. If you or someone you know is facing a drug trafficking offense, whether it has a minimum mandatory penalty or not, it's crucial that at the beginning stages you consult with an experienced criminal defense attorney who can guide you through the morass of the laws that govern sentencing in drug trafficking cases. Want to talk about it? Give me a call.